जैसे ही उसने अपनी बेटी को गले लगाया,
Oh, as soon as he hugged his daughter,
उसकी बेटी एक सोने की स्टैचू बन चुकी थी।
oh, his daughter turned into a golden statue.
गोल्डन स्टैचू और गोल्ड स्टैचू।
Gold statue, yeah.
उस
Yeah, it's going good. I'm so much happy to see you here again.
Oh my God, so am I.
Yeah. So tell me something. How is going your life?
Yeah, everything is going good, and my channel is also. It's nowadays I don't think that people are watching my videos because I'm getting very less viewers. I don't know why, but I'm trying to so I don't upload the same kind of videos. Sometimes I upload. I try to discuss on one particular topic so people can learn something, but I don't know what is going on. I think that nowadays, all our YouTubers, they are making the same kind of videos.
Yeah,
So
many YouTubers.
whose people will watch?
Yeah, I think nowadays YouTubers are more and viewers are less. Okay, don't worry. Just keep uploading and always give good contents. And after that, people will definitely like. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So actually, you will edit. Okay, I will discuss you something after that conversation. After
So
finishing our.
today, what's our new topic? You can tell me.
Okay. So our today topic also, I would like to have one rapid fire round today.
Yes. I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. Because the way you translate the sentence is really good.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start.
Yes, sure.
एक एक राजा था,
There was a king.
वो बहुत लालची था।
He was very greedy.
ओके, उसके पास बहुत सोना था।
He had more diamonds, more gold.
He had a lot of gold.
Yeah, he had a lot of gold. Yeah.
जितना उसके पास था,
As much he had,
उसे the more he had, उसे और ज्यादा चाहिए था।
उसे और ज्यादा चाहिए था.
The
He
more,
wanted, the more he had,
the more he wanted.
the more he wanted. Yeah, we can also say like this. He he wanted more.
हाँ, he wanted more. Okay. तो एक दिन वो हमेशा वो सोने को काउंट करता रहता था।
He always used to count that gold.
ओके, एक दिन एक स्ट्रेंजर आया।
One day, a stranger came.
एंड उसको उसने बोला, स्ट्रेंजर ने बोला,
The stranger spoke.
मैं तुम्हारी एक विश पूरा करूंगा।
क्या? Repeat yourself.
मैं तुम्हारा एक विश पूरा करूंगा।
Oh, I will complete your one wish. Yeah, fulfill. I will fulfill your one wish.
I would fulfill. Would.
Okay, I would fulfill your one wish.
Okay. तो उस स्ट्रेंजर ने बोला, बोलो तुम्हें क्या चाहिए।
The stranger spoke that, tell me, what do you want?
Okay. And instead of using spoke, we can use said.
Say, yeah.
Said. The
Say,
stranger
what do you
said,
want?
what do you want? तो उसने
Yeah.
बोला मुझे एक गोल्डन टच चाहिए।
मुझे एक
गोल्डन टच चाहिए, जो भी मैं छू वो सोने में परिवर्तित हो जाए।
Golden touch.
Yeah.
Ice चाहिए.
I want.
I want, yeah, I need, yeah. I want a golden touch.
ओके. तो स्ट्रेंजर ने बोला ओके, मतलब कल सुबह से तुम्हारी विश पूरा होगा.
Oh, then a stranger spoke that from tomorrow your wish would be completed.
योर विश वुड बी कंप्लीटेड.
Yeah.
ओके. सो तो वो जो राजा था वो पूरी रात वो ना उसको लगा वो कोई सपना देख रहा था.
The king was thinking whole night that he was watching a dream.
He was watching नहीं होता है ना, he like no that he must have been dreaming.
He must have been in dreaming.
Yeah. उसको
Okay.
जरूर कोई सपना देख रहा है. He must have been dreaming. Okay. So but next सुबह अगले दिन
But next morning,
उसने जब अपनी आंखें खोला,
when he opened his eyes,
उसने अपने बेड को छुआ.
bed,
या बेड.
and he touched his bed.
His bed. Okay. He
Bed.
touched his bed. या
Bed.
तो वो बेड जो है वो सोने में परिवर्तित हो गई थी.
Then that bed uh,
Turn into.
yeah, then that bed turned into gold.
Turned into gold.
Turned into gold.
Okay. तो वो बहुत खुश था, बहुत एक्साइटेड था.
Then he became very excited.
उसने बाहर खिड़की से देखा.
He saw outside by his window.
He saw outside looking through window. He looked through window. Okay. And your sentence is also correct. Okay. तो उसकी बेटी जो है वो खेल रही थी.
His daughter was playing.
Okay. तो उसने सोचा कि वो ये सरप्राइज उसकी बेटी को भी दे.
And he thought that this surprise I should also give my daughter.
Yeah. He also give a surprise. He thought he would give a surprise to his daughter. Okay. तो उसके बाद सोचा चल लेकिन पहले ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेते हैं.
Yeah, before that he thought that firstly I should have breakfast.
Okay. जैसे वो लाइक नो वो ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए बैठा कुर्सी पर.
As soon as he seated on the chair for taking breakfast. Yeah.
Okay. तब उसने जब पानी को टच किया.
When he touched the water,
the water also वो वाटर जो है वो सोने में परिवर्तित हो गई थी.
oh,
हो गए.
the water turned into gold.
तो अगेन उसके बाद वो फ्रूट्स को भी टच किया.
And when he touched his food,
the fruit also वो फल सब वो फल भी सब सोने की हो गई थी.
oh, then those fruits also turned into gold.
तो उसको भूख भी लग रहा था. वो सोचा अब मैं फ्रूट्स एंड पानी कैसे खाऊं, पानी कैसे पीऊं और फ्रूट्स कैसे खाऊं, सोने का है.
Yeah, and he was feeling very hungry. And he was thinking that how can I drink water and how can I eat fruits?
या तभी उसकी डॉटर दौड़कर अंदर आई.
Then his daughter came
running into the
came running into the
room.
room.
जैसे ही उसने अपनी बेटी को गले लगाया,
Oh, as soon as he hugged his daughter,
उसकी बेटी एक सोने की स्टैचू बन चुकी थी.
oh, his daughter turned into a golden statue.
Golden statue or gold statue.
Gold statue, yeah.
उसकी चेहरे पे और कोई हंसी नहीं था. उसके चेहरे पे और कोई हंसी नहीं था.
That time there was no happiness on his face.
There were no more smiles on his
Oh,
face.
yeah, that time there were no smiles on his face.
वो अपनी सर को झुकाया.
And he bowed his head.
और जोर जोर से रोना शुरू कर दिया.
And he started to crying loudly.
And he started crying loudly.
Yeah.
Okay. तभी वो स्ट्रेंजर आया.
Then that stranger came.
And उससे पूछा, आप इस दुनिया की सबसे सुखी इंसान हो?
Then that stranger asked, are you the happiest person in this world?
The strangers asked him that where like no, are you तो नहीं होगा ना, ये तो नरेशन में चला जाएगा ना, तो where होगा.
Yeah, you
Where,
can say, are you a happy person in this world? Are you
yeah.
are you the one of the more happy person in this world? Most happy person.
नहीं मैं बोल रही हूँ कि वो जैसे कि ना हम लोग बोले ना, जैसे द स्ट्रेंजर पूछा, द स्ट्रेंजर आस्क्ड हिम दैट वेयर, ये नरेशन में आ जाएगा ना, जैसे कि उसने बोला, तो हम लोग तो अभी बोल रहे हैं ये चीज.
हाँ.
आर की जगह वेयर होगा ना, वेयर यू द हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन इन दिस वर्ल्ड.
Yeah, we can say.
तब वो बोला, नहीं मैं इस दुनिया की सबसे दुखी इंसान हूँ.
Then he spoke that I am the
most miserable,
most sad people in this world.
yeah. मुझे तो अब तब उसने जोर जोर से रोने लगा, वो गिड़गिड़ाने लगा.
Then the king started to crying loudly.
Started crying loudly. मुझे मेरी बेटी वापस दिला दो.
Please give my daughter return.
Okay. मैं सब सोना दे दूंगी, मैं सब कुछ दे दूंगी, मुझे मेरी बेटी चाहिए.
I give all golden, but I give all gold what I need, but give my daughter, but give my daughter return.
Yeah. तब उसको लाइफ की इम्पोर्टेंस जो है वो समझ में आया.
Then that importance he understood.
He knew the importance of life.
Then he knew the importance.
He understood the importance of life.
Life, yeah.
Okay. तब वो स्ट्रेंजर ने उसकी जो वो वर्ड्स है वो गोल्डन चर्च वापस ली.
Please repeat your sentence.
Then वो स्ट्रेंजर अपनी गोल्डन टच वापस लिया.
Oh, then that stranger took his golden touch return.
Took his golden touch and वो एक नॉर्मल लाइफ जीना शुरू मतलब वो उसको वो बेटी दिला दी, उसको वो बेटी मिल गई.
And the king found his daughter.
And so and we can say that story is coming. So what's the moral of the story is
The moral of this story is that I think we should be satisfied in our life.
yeah, what is it, like no say that we say that लालच बुरी बला है, क्योंकि
Manas.
हम लोगों के साथ या पैसा सब कुछ, like no they from through this story we can learn that they, like no uh, money and that everything's like no on kind of materials, these only can fulfill our external demands, not our internal demands.
Yes.
अगर
Yeah,
आप
yeah.
लालच, तो ये होता है कि लालच बुरी बला है,
Yeah, लालच बुरी बला है.
greedy is a curse,
Yeah. More
greed is
greedy.
a curse, greed is a curse.
Yeah.
यही था शॉर्ट स्टोरी.
Yeah, but it was really nice.
Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am. Yeah, should we end up our conversation?
yes, yes, yeah. Okay.